EFT tapping. EFT tapping is a alternative treatment for physical and emotional distress. It's also referred to as tapping and psychological acupressure. All right, there's a few different ways you can apply this. I'm going to show you the way that I've used it, and it's been pretty helpful in different situations. It doesn't always work in every stressful situation, but it does in some. If it works for you, well, that's why I'm showing it to you. If it doesn't work, there are many other options for you. EFT tapping can be done anywhere. If you are in a stressful situation, what you have to try to do is get out of the immediate stressful situation. If it's a noise or a environment, you're going to try to remove yourself, go somewhere quieter, somewhere where you can sit, lay down, or even lean against a wall or something like that. You're going to try to get as physically relaxed as possible. What you're going to do is focus on your hands and your face. You can do the tapping technique on pretty much any pressure point area of your body, but one of the more responsive areas is areas around your eyes, your cheeks, your forehead, and your temples. I also find using just your hands is a positive experience. All right. So what you want to generally do is take your index and middle fingers on both hands. You can do one hand or both hands at the same time, and you're going to gently tap around the areas of your eyes, upper part of your cheek, okay, your temples. All right. And you just do a gentle, repetitive motion. You can tap in one spot or you can move around. Use two hands. At the same time, what you may want to do is also take nice, slow, deep breaths. All right. Generally, what we do when we're in the gymnasium or doing other stress release techniques, all right, you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay. And when you're done, you might want to stop and maybe see how you feel. If it's lowered your stress a little bit, maybe you can do it a little bit more, or if you think that's enough, that's fine. How long it takes depends on you. All right. It could be as little as 30 to 60 seconds, or it could be for several minutes, whatever works for you. Okay. The other way you could do it is also just take your thumb and each of your fingers. Okay. And you can tap your fingers. Maybe you want to stay with one, or you can go through each of the fingers. I personally like to tap probably about 5 to 10 times before I switch fingers. Sometimes a little bit quicker. All right. If I'm really anxious, I like to cycle through my fingers like this. It puts me into a rhythm. It kind of gets me into a place where I'm breathing slow. I'm trying to distract my mind from whatever is bothering me. Trying to slow my rate of breathing down, hopefully calming down maybe my heart rate, blood pressure, whatever it is. Okay. And you same with tapping around your eyes and your cheeks. However long it takes for you until you feel calm, that's typically what works. Now, if this does not work for you, again, there's other options that you could do. All right. If you want to look this up online, there are other recommendations for this on other parts of your body, with your shoulders, all right, around other what's called meridian points or pressure points around your body. All right. It's called EFT tapping.